Welcome to today's lesson on how heart rate is controlled and the use of artificial pacemakers to correct irregularities in heart rate. In this lesson, we will delve into the mechanisms that regulate heart rate and the medical technology designed to manage heart rhythm abnormalities. We will explore the natural control of heart rate through the body's electrical signals and the role played by the sinoatrial node, often referred to as the heart's natural pacemaker. Additionally, we will cover how artificial pacemakers function and their importance in treating heart rate irregularities. By the end of this lesson, you should have a thorough understanding of both natural and artificial regulation of the heart's rhythm. So far, you have learned about the structure and function of the heart and the circulatory system. You've studied the anatomy of the heart, including its four chambers, valves, and major blood vessels, as well as how blood circulates through the heart and body to deliver oxygen and nutrients. This is important foundational knowledge to understand how heart rate is controlled. Understanding how the heart's rhythm is regulated and how it can be corrected with artificial pacemakers advances our biological understanding by illustrating the interplay between the body's intrinsic mechanisms and medical technology. To understand how heart rate is controlled, we need to look at the role of the sinoatrial node, which can be referred to as the heart's natural pacemaker. The sinoatrial node is a group of specialized cells located in the wall of the right atrium of the heart. These cells are unique because they possess the ability to generate electrical impulses automatically. Here's how the process works. First, the sinoatrial node produces small electrical impulses at regular intervals. These impulses then travel across the walls of the atria, causing them to contract and push blood into the ventricles. The electrical signal then travels further across the heart and causes the ventricles to contract. This coordinated process ensures that the heart beats in a regular, rhythmic fashion, typically at a rate of about 60 to 100 beats per minute in a resting adult. The subconscious nervous system and hormones like adrenaline can also influence the rate and force of these contractions in response to the body's needs, such as during exercise or stress. Sometimes the sinoatrial node or other parts of the heart's electrical system can malfunction. This results in irregular heartbeats, known as arrhythmias. When this happens, an artificial pacemaker may be required to maintain a normal heart rhythm. An artificial pacemaker is a small, battery-operated device that is implanted under the skin, usually near the collarbone. A wire from the pacemaker is inserted into the heart through a vein. This wire is positioned so that it makes contact with the heart muscle. The pulse generator of the pacemaker monitors the heart's electrical activity. If it detects an irregularity, it sends electrical impulses to stimulate the heart to contract at a regular rate. Modern pacemakers have become quite sophisticated. They often include features like rate responsiveness, which allows the pacemaker to adjust the heart rate based on the body's activity levels. They can also communicate with external devices for monitoring and adjustments. In today's lesson, we examined how heart rate is controlled and the role of artificial pacemakers in managing heart rhythm irregularities. We began by understanding the natural regulation of heart rate through the body's electrical signals, specifically focusing on the sinoatrial node, also known as the heart's natural pacemaker. This node generates electrical impulses that cause the heart to contract and maintain a consistent rhythm. When this natural control system fails, artificial pacemakers can be used to maintain regular heartbeats, allowing for effective management of arrhythmias and other cardiac conditions. By understanding both natural and artificial means of regulating heart rate, we gain valuable insights into how we can treat and manage heart-related health issues.
Watch the rest of the GCSE biology course at Sophos Education.